Zero water conservation has become an increasingly important topic in today's world as the global population continues to grow, putting a strain on our water resources. One of the key aspects of water conservation is the use of the present perfect tense to talk about achievements and actions related to water conservation. This tense is used to describe actions that have been completed at some point in the past, but have a direct impact on the present. One way in which the present perfect tense is used in water conservation is to talk about specific achievements that have been made in water conservation efforts. For example, many countries have implemented water-saving initiatives such as installing water-efficient appliances, using water-saving irrigation techniques, and promoting rainwater harvesting. These initiatives have helped to reduce water consumption and preserve water resources for future generations. Another way in which the present perfect tense is used in water conservation is to talk about individual actions that have been taken to conserve water. For instance, individuals can use water-saving devices such as low-flow shower heads and faucets, fix leaky pipes, and collect rainwater for use in gardening. By taking these actions, individuals are able to reduce their water footprint and contribute to the overall conservation of water resources. Furthermore, the present perfect tense is used to highlight the importance of ongoing efforts in water conservation. While many achievements have been made in this area, there is still much work to be done to ensure the sustainable use of water resources. By using the present perfect tense to talk about past achievements and ongoing efforts, we can motivate others to take action and continue working towards a water-secure future. In conclusion, the present perfect tense is an important tool for celebrating achievements in water conservation and inspiring further action in this critical area.